friends, welcome to Foreign Ki Duniya. My name is Komal and I stay in Germany and make videos around different topics. For example, how is the life in Germany, how you can move abroad and settle in different European countries. Talking about moving abroad and staying in the European countries, one problem is very common that we Indians face is how can we transfer money back home to India. Talking about my experience, it's so difficult to find out which is a reliable platform which I can use to transfer money back home to India. Especially it has to be a convenient platform, economical, and there should not be hidden charges. Only getting a good exchange rate is never enough to transfer money, because many times it has happened that I have got a good exchange rate and then surprise, not surprise, there was a shock that there were extra charges, hidden charges that were deducted, and I was really disappointed with what had happened. So the search was ongoing and one day I came across Money2India, which is a remittance service provider by ICICI Bank Germany. And I always had all my bank accounts when I was in India at ICICI Bank. So when I came across this service, I was like, okay, I have to try this. And you might be also having your bank accounts if you are in India or if you were in India. ICICI Bank is such a secure and trusted brand. So I thought, let me give it a try. And when I checked their website, I got to know Money2India is present in 20 countries across Europe, and they also offer fund transfer from these European countries to any bank in India. And the best part is they were exactly providing what I was looking for. Or for that matter, even if you want to use it, you would also see that if it is fast, if it is convenient, and if there are no hidden charges. And even if there are charges, they are nominal charges. And this is exactly what I was looking for. So I thought, okay, let's give it a try. So what I did was I went to their website, which is Money2India Europe, money transfer to India, and in fact you can also register on mobile app or their website. So I have opened their website, and what you have to do next is share your details, verify your identity via a short video call, and in fact it took me less than 10 minutes. So that was very convenient. And then the next part was to enter the amount which I want to send to India and the recipient account details. So this is very normal that we also do in the other cases when we have to transfer money. So I just shared those details and then just transfer money from your local bank account. And the next thing I wanted to check is what are the charges? Are there any hidden costs? Because generally what happens with the other remittance service providers that I have used earlier, there I had to pay some hidden charges which I did not even know that they existed, because I saw that okay, this is the exchange rate I'm getting, so this would be the final amount that I will get in my Indian bank account. But then if you use debit card or credit card, there are many hidden charges which you don't get to know, and at the end of the day the entire transaction which you're thinking that okay, you're getting a good amount, that does not happen and it's not very economical. But in case of ICICI, here I got to know the amount that I'm seeing on the screen, like while doing the transaction, that is exactly the amount that I will get in the Indian bank account. So that was such a sigh of relief for me. Moreover, I was convinced that ICICI Money2India service is something which I would be using going further because of the benefits that they offer. I mean, I was so surprised to know that the money was transferred to my ICICI India bank account in less than 30 minutes. I mean, can you believe that? I was thinking, okay, it will take 1 or 2 days, but just in 30 minutes, the money was transferred. Plus the guaranteed rate feature. That means what you see is what you get. And exactly, I was not shocked when I got the amount in my Indian bank account, because that is what I saw during the transaction, that this is what I can see and this is what I hope I will get. But yes, that is what I got, so I was very relieved. Plus, it offered me competitive exchange rate with minimal charges and no hidden cost. And I really had less stress because I know how secure and trusted ICICI Bank is. Plus, you don't need to visit any branch as such because it's completely online process and there are preferential rates for large transfers. And I am finally happy that I have found a secure and trusted service provider, Money2India, to transfer money back home to India. If you're also looking for a secure, trusted, faster and a provider which doesn't charge you any hidden cost and low transfer fee, then you should also try Money2India Europe. Basically, I used it and I thought it's a really good service. That's the reason I'm sharing it with you. So I hope it's helpful to you as well. And if you want to know more details, I'm sharing their link, the link for website as well as for app in the description below. So do check it out as well. And if you have found this video helpful, do give it a like and also share it with your friends or families, relatives who are in Europe. I hope it's also helpful to them. And now let's see each other in our next video. Until then, auf Wiedersehen.